Are you buying him a cart full of toys?
Are you accusing me of bribery?
Are you guilty of bribery?
Oh, I feel so awful. I neglected our sweet little boy. He needed me, and I was not there for him.
Yeah, we both messed up, but spoiling him with ridiculous gifts isn't going to make things better.
Oh, you're right. This all started because of our date night. He just wanted to spend some time with us, and we excluded him. I know what we have to do.
So, we're getting the bike, not getting the bike. What am I doing?